black and gold. My pants just fell down. So next week I'm going to a conference and need to start packing. So we're gonna make another pack with me video today. You can see what I pack for a week-long conference. But before I do, I need to get a haircut. So let me take care of that. I'll be right back. That's so much better. Haircut, a little bit of makeup, and now we're ready to get started and pack for my big trip next week. So next week I'm going on a 4-day-long conference that we are hosting at my company, which means I'm not only just sitting in and meeting with clients and customers, but I'm also going to be up on stage talking to an audience making up of maybe over 100 people. So with that in mind, I want to dress for comfort since I'll be there for 3 to 4 days, but I also want to dress and be professional, yet show a little bit of personality. And I want to fit everything into a single carry-on. Here is how we're going to do that. As you can see here on my wardrobe, everything is pretty neutral in color. First, let's start with travel outfit. I'm leaving tomorrow, Monday afternoon, and it's going to be a quick flight. It's from Philly to Boston. But I do want to dress professionally because you never know who you're going to run into at the airport and on the plane. So the first thing I'm going to be wearing is these straight jeans. These are from Old Navy. I love them. I guess skinny jeans are out, so I'm going with some straight high-waisted jeans, otherwise known as mom jeans. And then with that, I'm gonna wear this white shirt. This is from Club Monaco. It's a little bit sheer, but it's also breathable, which is gonna be really important as I'm running around the airport. But then on the plane, it does get cold. So I'm gonna be layering it with this old cardigan, and this is what I call my boyfriend cardigan because it actually belonged to my husband, and he let me borrow it years and years ago when we were dating, and now it's mine. And for shoes, I'm going to be wearing these Cole Haan Grands. They're like tennis sneakers, but like loafer style and very comfortable. And this will be great because as I'm walking around the airport and then going straight from my hotel to different dinners and events, I can stay in the same outfit. No one is showing up in a suit, you know, on that first casual day. So I think it's gonna be polished, put together. I'll accessorize with some jewelry, and I think we'll be good to go. Day 0, technically, is officially the night before the conference begins. But before that welcome reception, I'm going to be part of an executive roundtable. So we're gonna have some VPs, heads of type of meeting, followed by a welcome reception. And this welcome reception is more of like a cocktail hour. So I do want to be casual. I want to be elevated a little bit. So here's what I'm going to be wearing. This is from Veta, but I love this because you can wear this in a number of ways. You can wear it with the buttons in the front. You can wear it with buttons in the front and then tie it, or you can wear it backwards so that it's more of a traditional crew neck type of shirt. And then the back has this like really pretty button detail. With that, I'm going to pair it with this tan blazer. And I actually got this from Temu, and it's gonna be my first time wearing it. I'm gonna pair these with my black pants over there, so let me grab those. They're from Banana Republic. I got these about 2 seasons ago. And it is made of this like, almost like performance material. It doesn't really wrinkle. I can literally put it in my bag like this and it'll be fine. It's nice and flush in the front, but it is stretchy in the back, and I absolutely love it. It has pockets, of course. And the cut of this is just like right below my ankle so that it is great for my length. I'm about 5'3", pushing it to 5'4", so I'm not on the tall side. And with that, I will probably wear them either with the same Cole Haan sneakers, or maybe I might dress them up with these Rothy's. But again, it might be a game day decision. So now we're officially at day 1. And day 1 is the big event. It is where we have most of our sessions. We have our CEO doing a keynote, and that's when we kick off our zones. In my particular zone, we'll have a smaller keynote. It's gonna be made up of about 150 people. I would say for about 3 or 4 of those, I'm hosting or I'm leading them in some scheduled executive meetings. I'm going to be in front of a lot of different people throughout the day. So I wanna be comfortable, but I also wanna be really put together. After day 1, we host a huge evening event. What I've decided to do is wear a jumpsuit with a blazer over it, and I actually won't need too much jewelry because you'll see what I mean. Let me show you. So this is a Tommy Hilfiger jumpsuit, all one. It is like this like thicker black material, so does not wrinkle, but very, very comfortable. The hardest thing about this outfit will be going to the bathroom because it's a jumpsuit. It did come with a ribbon, but I'm not gonna be wearing a ribbon because I'm gonna be accessorizing it with this belt. So the blazer I'm gonna wear with it is this black blazer, also from Banana. And you can see it's double-breasted and has these really beautiful gold buttons. And because it has all this gold plus with the belt, I wouldn't wear a lot of jewelry because it'll just be too busy. So simple, elegant, comfortable, and it'll just give me that confidence when I need to get up there and speak. Now on to day 2, which is also going to be the same day that I fly home. I will be leading some breakfast roundtables and some other meetings, and I still need to be put together as I'm one of the hosts of this event. But it is day 2, and I like to have a little bit more fun with that. I've decided to rock this shirt. This is a shirt I got from like a little boutique in Italy. Again, it's that same material that barely wrinkles. It is just nice and loose and breathable. It is really cute. I've worn this a few times and I've always gotten compliments, but it's fun but yet it's still dressy. I'm gonna pair this with a more casual black blazer. And this one is like a nice softer material, and then it has a lining inside that, and I'll probably roll my sleeves up a little bit. Now this pink will work against the black so that it will make it work with these pants. These are the same pants as the black ones that I showed you earlier, also from Banana, and same thing, flat in the front with a little bit of pleating. Now you can see a little bit of wrinkles, so I'll probably steam this out when I get to the hotel, but honestly, you'll see when I try this on later, you barely see the wrinkles. It's just like that kind of forgiving material, so I love it. And to be determined if I'm gonna wear a belt with these. That's it. The only other things I'm gonna pack with me, clothes-wise, will probably be a pair of running shoes and maybe shorts and a workout shirt, so that if I do have time, I might be able to get a quick run in early in the morning. Doubtful. And then pajamas to wear at night. I don't want to overpack. I am a true believer of packing neutral so that you can mix and match. Sometimes I will add one additional shirt that's kind of like a wild card. And this is a simple light blue shirt. This is from Old Navy, and it's called the classic shirt because it's exactly that, it's a classic shirt, and I've had this for so many years. So this might be a shirt that I might swap out for one of the less formal days, or maybe have it as an option if we go out after one of the evening events and I want to be a little bit more casual, like say to the hotel bar. All right, so now it's time to pack. Bringing my usual carry-on bag. It's the white hard shell It bag, and I'm bringing with me this packing cube. I use this to store all my shirts, and then I stuff the edges with smaller items like socks and underwear and other miscellaneous things to fill up the space. But here, just to maximize the space, I am rolling all my shirts and even the jumpsuit. And as you can see, I'm squeezing it down to make as much room as possible. I'm even able to add my pants in here. And this is why I love this material, because it doesn't wrinkle, and so I can get away with rolling it like that. So as you can see, there's some space in between, so I'm using my smaller items, putting in some workout clothes, then my pajamas, and that shirt is so ratty, but I love it because it reminds me of home. So I'm just stuffing all the edges with that. I actually have a lot of room here still. So let's see, what else can we fit? Some underwear and sports bras. I don't know, I'm a little paranoid about underwear. I bring a lot. Yeah, you just never know what kind of undergarments you may need at any given time. So here we go, I stuff it up. And then I have a little bit of room, so I'm gonna put my favorite blazer right on top of that. So fold it up nicely, put it in the bag, and then close it up. And I love this because if I get stopped at the TSA at the gate and they need to go through my bag, all my undergarments and stuff are all secured in the packing cube, and my blazer is protected by anything in case something spills from my toiletry bag. So I'm gonna put in my shoes and my sneakers, as well as the 2 other blazers that will just sit right on top. And you can tell some of my clothes are wrinkled, and that's okay, because once I get to the hotel, I'm going to take a few minutes to steam them or to iron them out. At this conference, I'm running around like crazy, so I usually don't have time to sit and eat breakfast, lunch, or dinner. I pack a lot of granola bars, nuts, and just other snacks to keep me nourished throughout the day. I hope you enjoy packing with me for my conference. And if you're headed to a conference, I wish you the best of luck. Enjoy yourself, enjoy the presentations, be in the moment. Comment below where you're going. I would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching.